So let's begin. My last video has unfortunately crashed. So far I have enabled course from here, manage NuGet packages for solution. It's a bit disgusting. Anyway, repeating the same stuffs. I'm sorry. So yeah, you see here, not here, it comes automatically. Just click here and click install, and then come here, app start. I have elaborated what is app start and how it works. Anyway, if you want to want any details knowledge, then just Google for ASP.NET application request pipeline, and you will come to know the importance of this folder anyway. So we come here, we have written these 2 lines of code to enable course. Don't forget to put a star here, and the details resource can be found not in my Facebook, of course, here. Actually we have copied these 2 lines. Yeah, it is still marked, and we have replaced example.com by star. It means that star means, the first star means that we can introduce a domain as a client here. If we put xyz.com, then it will only accept request from xyz.com. It is a very most obvious option, because the server will not by default allow anyone to access its resources until or unless you configure it from anywhere else. Okay, so in the client application we have written a code for REST service. Here it's a service. It has 2 dependencies, like $resource and $q. It's a promise, and well, this is the syntax. I don't know. Okay, let's waste some time. Okay, this is our service. It is returning an object. The object has a property and a value assigned to its property. The property is known as I'm sorry, object. Okay, and the property, the value assigned to its property is this one. Yeah, you can see already it is marked, which is nothing but a function with a parameter. The parameter is an URL we want to hit for this resource. Okay, now what is this? We will elaborate it just a bit later. Okay, just ignore it for this this part, and then we are rewriting the default get method of this $resource, like user should be true. Okay, then we call this get method, which uses HTTP GET, and it gives us the response, and we have logged the response into our console, and then we have resolved it and returned it. Okay, if it is a successful request, then we have resolved it, otherwise we have rejected it. And here's the default one. I don't know what the heck is doing it here. Anyway, so far we see that if we write REST service.getArray, it wants to fire a function with a parameter. So we call it with a parameter, and then it returns us a promise. Okay, So here get array is called with a function, sorry, with a parameter, and then we have used dot then. That means we are working with the promise it returned, and then here we get the response, the same response we logged. Anyway, okay, so this is the final destination of our response. So let's log it here instead of here. Okay, okay, this is nothing, ignore it. So we are getting undefined. Why on earth we are getting undefined? That's a little bit irritating. Should not get undefined here. User is true. So let's log here. So sorry, this is response. Let's see what happens, and let's comment out this one. We just want to check if it is a successful request or if it is a failed request. Okay, this is response. It shows us success, tremendous success. Wow, success is everywhere. We have got the array from the server side, so why the heck we are getting undefined there? Oh, sorry, I just copied my code and I forgot to edit it. We will send back our response. What do you say? Response array itself, right? Not response.value. I'm really very sorry. Okay, now if we don't need this log because we have already checked that our server is working fine and we're getting the data. Okay, so come again, click here. Yeah, now we are getting this log. Sorry, this log. Oh, this log. Let's see here. Yeah, this log. Okay, so let's do something with this array. Let's show it in our browser. How can we do that? We need an array. $scope.persons equals to an array. Now copy it here, paste it here, and response. And here we come. I think we should have used some bootstrap or something else. Anyway, forget about it. Okay, no. So oh, this is world's best HTML design I have ever seen in my life. I'm so good. Anyway, where it is persons, right? So ops div ng repeat person in person. persons. Here we go. Person dot, what are the properties? Person ID 1 2 3 4, person ID, person name, person phone number. I don't want to take risk, so I am copying, and person age. Okay, it's not happy. Okay, let's see if it comes. Okay, get array. Yeah, beautiful, we have got them. Okay, ABC, DEF, GHI, everything has just come. Okay, now okay, how long it has been? Okay, let's start our next video in next tutorial in another video. Okay, so that's it for now. Thanks for watching.